Good day, ma'am. Today, I will be going to play in a website. So first, I go to Google Classroom and tap the link provided. After tapping the link, then we are going to wait, and then I choose the biology. In a biology, I choose the DNA. So first, let us know what is DNA. The DNA, or the deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. The DNA is made up of four nucleotide bases, whereas the adenine, the guanine, the cytosine, and the thymine, that are arranged in a specific sequence to form a genes. So in DNA based pairing, it refers to the specific bonding between the four nucleotides. So the adenine pairs with thymine, the guanine pairs with cytosine. So these base pairings are held together by hydrogen bands that forms the rungs of the DNA double helix structure, and their pairing is very crucial because it plays a significant role in DNA because it helps to DNA replication, the genetic stability, and also to accurate the transmission of genetic information. So the base pairing rules: adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. It helps to ensure that DNA is replicated accurately, allowing cells to pass on genetic information to their offspring. So, as what I have performed, or kagaya ng ginawa ko, so according sa shape ng kanilang malalaman mo kung ano talaga yung pair ni cytosine. So si cytosine is talagang nagpe-pair siya kay guanine. And then si guanine nagpe-pair din kang cytosine. While si thymine is nag-pair kay adenine, and adenine pairs with thymine. Hindi siya pwedeng magka-interchange kasi pag nagka-interchange siya is hindi hindi siya walang mangyayaring pairing. And also ang tawag sa pairing na nag-hold together is ang tinatawag na base pair. So kagaya ng nagawa ko, that is the correct base pairing of the DNA. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you and mabuhay.